So long division, you can have a remainder of 0 where 8 is a multiple of 2. So what am I dividing by? What's my dividend? Or my quotient? Not 2, more, bigger. 2 divided into 8 equals 4. Yeah. And so you would, right, you times this, right? And I get 8, and then you guys realize, and this is the reason why we're reviewing the basics, you always subtract and then we get that 0, and this is your remainder, correct? Yeah? Okay, so now go to this one. What am I dividing by? Okay, yeah, so 3 doesn't divide into 2, so then you move it over and you would put the 7 above the 3, right? I know, we're trying to I'm trying to go over little stuff so that when we go over the polynomials, you realize why I'm shifting the terms over and so forth, okay? I'm recording. Okay, so what happens then is 7 times 3 is 21, but of course I come in with the red marker to subtract, and so 23 minus 21 is a 2. Okay, so this is your remainder, right? This is your quotient. And this is your dividend. Dividend. Okay. All right, not that you need to know that, but okay. So then here, does 4 divide into 5? Yes, once, right? So 1 times 4 is 4, right? Remember, you're always multiplying. And then you come in with a subtraction. 5 minus 4 is 1. I carry down the 3, right? How many times does 4 go into 13? 3, because that's 12. And then come in with the subtraction, right? 1. Bring down the 7. Yes? Okay, how many times does 4 go into 17? 4. Okay. So, oh wait, whoops, I forgot my little subtraction. And so your remainder is 1. Okay, so now looking at this one, because this is really when you start synthetic division for polynomials, right? You did quadratics last year, you'll do cubics and so forth this year. Okay, is you got to make sure you line them up right. You got to make sure that you then subtract. That number should never be bigger than your divisor. You bring down the next value and you restart. It's a constant restart. Okay, this remainder, the way you write it for polynomials is, you guys remember, you can kind of make it as a fraction of 1/4. This is your remainder over your divisor. Or you guys sometimes put 1/34, so you could do the 1/4 or 1/34, and then you would put remainder 1. Remember that? Okay, this is the way we're going to go. We're not doing decimals because we're talking about polynomials. Fair? Okay, so let me just shut this off and then we'll go again. And then we'll do we'll actually synthetic divide.